So there's this amazing new way I discovered which I'm excited to share with you. This brand new strategy will be ideal for you if you're the type of person who is always watching videos about making money online. How much money will you be able to make from this? Let's just imagine that merely by sharing links, you'll be able to earn almost $5,000 every month. Check out my earnings from using this method if you think that's unreasonable. I've only been doing this for a few days, but I've always been able to earn this much. Consider what would happen if we attempted to do this for a month. With this brand new strategy, the profit potential is endless. I'll show you some extra additional tips that will help you make more. If you watch all the way to the end, many people are unaware of the tips I'll share with you, and you'll only see them on my channel. As a result, I strongly advise you to watch this video all the way through. But first, welcome to Make Money Online, where I'll be showing you the various ways of making money online in the simplest ways possible. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell and hit that like button. Let's return to the video now. Okay, let's take a look at all of these campaigns. These campaigns will be used to generate revenue for us. I'll show you how to make money with this in a step-by-step explanation, so keep an eye out. Don't worry. This website is accessible from any country on the planet. As a result, you will be able to make money from wherever you are. Right now, what I enjoy about this is that you may earn a lot of money even if you have no experience doing online tasks. Since the approach I'm about to show you is completely beginner-friendly, this is the website that we will be using in today's video, Kickbooster. Simply go to kickbooster.com and you'll see their main page, which looks something like this. Right now, you need to hover over users and then click on affiliates right here. Then you'll be directed to this page where you can learn more about becoming an affiliate marketer on this website. Right now, you can see on this page that you can receive rewards for sharing your favorite projects. You can also use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link by scrolling down below. You can also earn commissions by sharing your affiliate links on your blog, social media, email, or anywhere else you like. You get more money if you share more. Isn't that a fantastic method to make money? You may see the process for becoming an affiliate marketer for this website. If you scroll down further, it's also as easy as 4 steps, and I'll show you how to follow those 4 steps so you can profit from this website as well. To make money with this website, you must first create a free account. It will take you less than 2 minutes to set up an affiliate account and you will not be charged anything. The next step is to decide which project you want to promote. As I mentioned at the outset, they have a large number of tasks from which you may choose and earn money. You can search their marketplace for amazing projects to share, and then you must spread the word. With the touch of a button, you can create a unique affiliate link to share with your network work. You can post it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform of your choice. Finally, once you've completed all of the preceding processes, you may sit back, relax, and await your commissions. That's all there is to it. If you think that was quick, don't worry. Later on I'll show you a step-by-step instructions so you don't get lost. Many people tend to skip the video, and as a result, they do not earn anything. And that's something I don't want to happen to you, because I want you to profit from the methods I'm teaching you. That is why you should watch this video all the way through. So the first step is to create an affiliate account on Kickbooster, which you can do by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and clicking on the purple icon that says Sign Me Up. You'll be taken to this page. After clicking it, sign up if you're an affiliate marketer. Simply fill in the blanks with your information and don't forget to check the box to agree to their terms and conditions. To complete the registration procedure, check the box that says I'm not a robot, and then click the Submit button on Kickbooster. You now have an affiliate marketer account. It's that easy to sign up for a Kickbooster account. You will now be led to your personal dashboard. After making an account, you'll be able to see how much money you've made so far from your affiliate links on this dashboard. Because this account is brand new, there are no earnings yet. But as you watch this video, you'll notice that $0 becomes $100, then $500, then $1,000, and so on. So keep your eyes open. The next step is to start looking for projects to promote. Simply select Marketplace and you will be transported to the Kickbooster's Marketplace. As a result, if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll be able to see some of the Kickbooster projects. You can actually choose the category you wish to see on the left side. The Kick Booster marketplace is filled with things to advertise: design, education, everyday carry, fashion, cuisine, games, health, home goods, outdoors, sporting goods, technology, and travel are all included. To see the projects that are available, simply click on one of these categories. I'll teach you which category to select in order to earn the most money in the shortest length of time. You won't have to worry about anything because it will be simple. And the best part is that it's completely free. You don't have to spend any of your hard-earned cash to accomplish this. So the categories that I've experimented with include design, health, and technology. These are the 3 types of products that you can promote and earn a lot of money from. So select these 3 categories and Kick Booster will display the products that fall into of the 3 categories. I'll now give you an additional tip like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So on the sort by drop-down option, I want you to select commission high to low, because that way you'll be able to view the goods that pay out a lot of money when you promote them. Kick Booster will now show you the products with the highest commission. After you've made your selection, you'll see these things as you scroll down this page and they'll give you a very high commission. As you can see, these products will pay you anywhere from 20% to 30% in commissions. And that's a significant sum for me. And you don't have to do much anyway. All you have to do now is post your affiliate link and wait for people to click on it. They will then award you your commission. Isn't that fantastic? As a result, we must now select the product. You can choose whatever you want. However, for this video, I'm going to go with this product because it has a high commission percentage. When you click on a product, it will take you to a landing page where you may learn more about it. As you can see, they will pay you a 27% commission on every dollar you contribute to their campaign. I'm going to go ahead and click the View Campaign button to learn more about the initiative. This is a fantastic product and I believe that many people will click on it if you share it with them. The best part is that you don't need a large number of people to click on your affiliate link to make money. You only need 3 to 4 individuals to earn a significant amount of commission. To begin marketing this product, simply click on this button and you will be given a special affiliate link that you can copy and share with others. You may wonder where I may share my link. Don't worry, I'll show you several different traffic sources where you can post your link later. And I know a lot of people visit these websites since I use them myself. Quora.com is the first website with a lot of traffic. Now, I've mentioned this website previously and I believe you're already familiar with it. At Quora, all you have to do is search for food lovers. You'll be able to observe individuals discussing this topic, and these people will be interested if you tell them about the product you discovered. On Kick Booster, you may just react to any of these postings, talk about the product you discovered, and then share your affiliate link with them. Facebook is the second website. I'm sure many of you have Facebook accounts which you may utilize to promote your affiliate link. You can join any of these groups by searching for food lovers on Facebook and clicking on groups. You may then connect with the members and use your affiliate link to share the Kick Booster product with them. You can do this over and over again because Kick Booster has so many things to pick from. In only a few days, you'll be able to receive your commissions and spend them as you like. That is all. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.